party started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's spot we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up upset. You don't need to show your father love anymore to them. Can you feel the spark in city light when you stay the night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. Why you break it so hard? Break it so hard. Break it so hard.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Just woke up. So today, as you can see, we're in the road now. It's very early. I have a appointment to my eyebrow. So as you can see, I don't have anything, no eyebrow. But of course, my eyelash is just always this. So ayan, we headed to Bider. I have an appointment for my eyebrow, so it's called microblading. So good luck to me. Sana makayanan. I hope I can do it. Kasi I'm sure masakit yun kasi it's like a tattoo, right? So kids,
continue at 4 miles.
yeah, this is my husband. So ayan, so good luck. Sana makayanan ko. Ayan, see you there. Now we're here. Pinakabahan na ako. Ito yung close pa. So 10 p.m. Ay, nandiyan na siya. So ayan, we're here now, we're here. Siyempre kinakabahan na. Masakit. Kasi masakit. Ayun. We'll see. Wala pa yung gagawa ng aking ay, ayan siya. I think that's her. Nandiyan na siya, I think. Yeah, I think. Ayan, mag-start na po tayo. Lalagyan lang ng pampanam. So hindi ko natuloy ang aking microblading. Ayan pa din siya. Pero kanina ginamita yung aking hindi po siya natuloy kasi meron po akong pimples dito. So, ano kasi yun, pwedeng pag nasugatan kasi to, and then syempre may bacteria yung pimples, so pwedeng magkaroon ng infection yung ibang part ng aking kilay kasi syempre susugatan niya yung itong kilay ko, diba? So I need to go back maybe next week. Kailangan daw maging muna to, nilagyan naman niya ng gamot yung aking pimples. Ito, as you can see, pimples. So ayan. So see you next vlog again, yung to continue for my micro